Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do daily B2B SaaS teardown videos and hopefully try to identify some conversion leaks that might be costing these websites some revenue. Today, we're going to be looking at PrepsUs. Okay, so it is basically a user research platform which tracks data and details about your users and gives you data about that. Okay. So straight away we can see that there are three CTAs, which is great, above default to increase opt-ins. And also, this headline is very clear. It is very clear what his service is about and what the whole business does basically for the customers. And one thing that I would say though is that unfortunately, when you look at the website, Um, I cannot see any sign of elements that would show some credibility or testimonials, I would say. So I guess this business would benefit if they added some testimonials to this website and reviews to increase the a positive perception in this in the customer's mind, basically. And yeah, I guess there's not much and I think it would benefit from adding reviews. Also, there is no handling of objections, especially for example if you go on contact us, and it would be helpful if they added what happens once they add once you guys give your contact details, right? And you can go to pricing as well to check how is it doing, and you can see it is very clear. It shows every tier clearly with the each feature, which is great. So the prospects can just come in and check what tier is best for them. But other than that, this is I'd say all that there is to the website. Definitely would benefit from adding some testimonials and reviews. Other than that, that takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you are a B2B SaaS founder and you would like help with increasing your conversions, definitely get in touch. You can do so by booking a call by clicking on the link here down in the description below. Other than that, I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you in the next video.